Hi, everyone. I'm Shrevan, the CEO of Hyperspec AI. In the last few years, several billions in R&D spending has been used to advance autonomous driving, but here we stand today, only being able to use the technology in a handful of cities. The automotive industry has the capacity to change dramatically the day-to-day experiences for millions of people. The introduction of autonomous driving would kickstart the second transportation revolution since the car was originally invented. To create this alternate future that we all promised consumers in 2015, we need to invest in technology that can scale autonomous vehicle programs and increase the service areas where the vehicles are deployed. One key bottleneck, however, we've identified is the manual HD map creation process, which is error prone and labor intensive. Hyperspec enables self-driving vehicles to construct real-time 3D scene context, and they're able to self-localize without high-definition reference maps. The way we do this, we essentially catalyze autonomy at scale. At Hyperspec AI, we enable larger autonomous vehicle deployments with smaller budgets. And we do this by systematically removing hurdles in expanding autonomous infrastructure. Our technology integrates superhuman perception with ADAS vehicles, initially enabling highway autonomy, but we have a well-defined roadmap that gets you to all roadways and higher levels of autonomy as well. We have a patent pending technology that fuses aerial reference imagery with ground-based terrestrial cameras. And this allows us to estimate the location of the vehicle with a greater degree of precision than typical RTK GPS sensors. And we do this with commodity cameras. Our real-time scene construction fills in the gap of identifying road features that are not traditionally part of the object detection and tracking pipelines of perception systems. And we identify things such as lane markings, traffic signals, and the context on how to interact with the environment as well. This is useful for any motion planning or path planning algorithm that powers most ADAS or AV autonomy stacks. Formed in 2019, Hyperspec AI has partnered with several ADAS programs at this point, and we're working diligently to accelerate their roadmaps. We're a Silicon Valley firm with venture capital backing, and we were accelerated by Techstars and UC Berkeley Skydeck. Our advisory board has several automotive executives and serial entrepreneurs as well. We've assembled a rockstar team that has like tremendous specialization in computer vision, machine learning, and synthetic simulations. And this is giving us an edge in a lot of our R&D and product development. Our integration process can support three paths of integration. The first path is we directly integrate our hardware accelerator chips with their general purpose compute at the PCB level. This lowers the latency for the scene construction and enables the car to have localization capabilities. The second pathway is to partner with your existing chipset providers, and we integrate our solution with them. And the third pathway, which is quicker and less overhead, is our reference hardware kit. So this works as a standalone system, and you can easily retrofit it on your vehicle. And we support this through A sample and B sample evaluations with the ADAS program managers. So if you want to get in touch with us, feel free to drop us a note and we'll get back to you.